everyone, it's Tina Petersen, broker with Uncommon Ground, and today the Helena Bozeman team would like to share with you one of our favorite easy summer salad recipes. So this is a cucumber caprese salad. It goes together super fast. Another thing I love about it is the cucumber, red onion, cherry tomatoes, and the fresh herbs come all right out of my garden. So it's super fast, super simple, and it always is a great big hit. So the first thing is one large cucumber that we have just chopped up. We prefer to use English cucumbers because they're never bitter and they don't have the big seeds. And then half of a large red onion. And then cherry tomatoes, I just kind of picked a variety. I have some nice orange and some nice red, super sweet. Cup and a half of those. And then we have 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. You can use the fresher mozzarella, which is super great. However, if you're going to wait quite a while or later in the day, the next day, that cheese gets kind of runny and super soft. So use a firmer cheese if you are not going to eat this right away. So the recipe actually calls for a tablespoon of dried oregano and a tablespoon of dried basil, but I have fresh basil and fresh oregano right out of my garden that I have chopped up. I'm using a little over a tablespoon of each. That might be a little strong for some people, so if you do use fresh herbs, you might put a little in at a time and see what it tastes like. And then the dressing, super simple, like a caprese. It is just 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And then last is a little salt and pepper to taste. I usually use half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And it's just that simple and easy. You just go ahead and give it a nice mix and it's ready to go. You can eat this right away. You can chill it and serve it later in the afternoon. Great picnic or barbecue item, or even mix it up the night before for salad the next day. So you can see it's actually a very pretty salad, especially if you have some of those orange cherry tomatoes in there. Super easy, super fresh, and we will post this recipe at the end of the video. So thanks a lot for watching our video. Bye!